Okay, so this video is for my reference mainly. This is a very old 17-inch Philips LCD. Recently I've got a RT809F programmer. It's in my on the way of new adventures of programming all kinds of ICs. So I'm going to give it a go of dumping the contents of this controller in this LCD. It's currently working, as we can see, and I'm going to make some hex modifications. For example, check cable connection. I'm going to try and change that, or the volume word to something else, and then dump it back just for fun. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So basically, let's put this into our USB, into the computer, connected. And I'm going to connect the LCD cable from the LCD into VGA ISP port. Done. Alright, so let's go to our computer screen. Okay. Let's have a look. That's the software, RT809F. Okay, let's go Auto ISP, and it has detected this chip here. Great. Let's go read. Nice. File is saved. It's only 64 kilobyte. What we'll do, we'll make a copy and modify the copied. Let's say we're going to search for that check cable connection. There we go. So we want to be able to change that without expanding it. So, okay, cancel. Let's write hello world. Sure can do. Okay. Now let's save it. Importantly, the file size should not change. Open and write. And while that's finishing, I'll have a look at the LCD, what's happening. So the screen goes black when it's being written. You can see the light flashing. Okay, that's better. Verifying. Okay, done. Now, by the way, when you got the VGA ISP cable in, if you press these, it will change the color of the screen. So it's got an LCD tester built in. Anyway, I'm going to disconnect this. Hello world, sure can do. Pretty cool, eh? Alright. And there's I think that's the volume. It is not the fastest menu system. Oh, okay, it needs something connected before you can do menu changes. Oh, here we go. It says volume. Yep, you see the word volume there. Let's change that. Let's go back to our laptop. Do a search, volume, search all, so it can go backwards. Okay, what should we write? So we can't write more than 6 characters. So you actually really need to use Novatech controller programmer to be able to make changes that are in different lengths. But that program is so old and cannot be found on the internet. It's back in the 486 era, Pentium era, but we don't have access to them anymore. What should we write? Volume. Okay. What should we write? Okay, anything. SureCan, that's my name. Here we go. Save. Open. And write. Okay, it's verifying. Great. We check the volume now. See, it says SureCan. Well, that's it, yeah. One other thing I want to do, but I haven't had the time, is find where the logo file is kept. See that Philips logo? So in this 64 kilobyte file, what I'll do, I'll just put the original one back. You see, when there's an image in this file, it's somewhere here, but I don't know where it is. So having a look at signatures, hex signature, JPEG, for example. Yeah, so for example, JPEG. So if there was a JPEG file, this would be the beginning, for example. So to give you an idea, let's see what kind of image this is. That's a PNG. Let's say PNG. Oh yeah, let's go back there. PNG. PNG should begin with 89504E. So if we go back to downloads, yeah, see, I tried to download Easy Writer. That's just a virus. Okay. Let's open it with Hex Editor. Okay, so what was 8954E47? As you can see here, pretty much match on. That's how you know the file format. From hex, you can determine what it is. Has a header and an ending as well, which are pretty much standard in all standard formats. So I've searched PNG, I've searched JPEG, I've searched GIF, was GIF here, yeah, and BMP as well. I just cannot find in the hex. So if I was to search hex value, nothing. And search like this, nothing. So yeah, it's not in here, it's somewhere else on this monitor. But anyway, that's for maybe if I got time for another video in the future. Did I put the volume back? Yep, volume is back as before. I disconnect the cable. Check cable connection. Yeah, that's about it. I'll probably make many more videos on reading all kinds of chips in the future. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.